using Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing tool in which people can join classes or have meetings over their computer with their cameras and their audio. This is a feature we're going to use a lot in class for both remote and in-person learning. The easiest way to access your class's Google Meet is to go to Google Classroom and that particular class, and underneath the title of that class is the Google Meet link. That link will stay the same for the entirety of that class while you're enrolled in that Google Classroom. This is how our teachers are going to start those Google Meets as well, so that you can join those live session classes. Your teacher may elect to send you a Google Meet invitation via email, but this is the easiest way to join your class's particular Google Meet. When you do click that link, it's going to join that particular meeting. It's going to use your camera and your microphone, which you see here, these icons. One of the best practices, at least initially, is to start with your microphone off. That way, as you enter the meeting, people don't hear any background noise for you. When you are ready to speak, or if someone asks you a question, you can unmute yourself. But especially when there are a lot of people in the meeting, it's good practice to have your microphone muted. You can unmute yourself. This button here is to leave the call or hang up, and the third button is to turn your camera off. We prefer that you leave your camera on so everyone can see you, including your classmates that are part of the meeting or possibly in class. Other options are the Present Now button, where I can present my screen to anyone's in the class. A teacher may ask you to do this for a particular assignment or project. Also down here in the corner are the three dots, which allow me to maybe do a different layout if I want to see some different tile options for people that are in the meeting. I could arrange that, as well as if I have I want to see full screen, or you can use settings if you have different cameras or microphones depending on your particular setup and how you're using your computer. In the top here is the chat menu, which I would suggest you have open, especially if there's some discussion or questions going on over here on the side. When I use the People tab, I can see the other folks that are in the meeting as well, so I can see my classmates. I can see my video feed up here in the top right-hand corner and see what my camera looks like. So that's joining and using Google Meet. When you're done, you can go ahead and just leave the call, and that will get you out of the meeting.